morning, good morning, good morning. I like this. Can't see screen, nice. Appreciate it. Learn psychology, learn why the markets move, learn fair value gaps, learn liquidity, and learn about the algorithm. To be honest, if you have $75 laying around, I would highly recommend just joining my bootcamp, because I literally start you from the most beginner point possible and then work you all the way up to where we're at today. It's just going to be able to fast track a lot of things for you. Patrick. Type shit. What's up, Mom? What's up, Mom and Patrick? W scammer. It's ridiculous. That's fire, Patrick. I would highly recommend getting a computer. It's gonna be so hard to only do it on your phone. Like that's actually gonna be impossible. Like it won't be impossible, but it's gonna be really hard. I can't let you walk away.
Sessions the last like 3 weeks, and when I tell you I've had to literally fight for some of these sessions to make money, like it has been harder than normal. And maybe you guys are seeing the same thing, maybe you aren't. There's always gonna be the traders like, oh, New Year's been easy. But something I've been noticing is like every single inverse fair value gap has been like they've been working.
I am Andrew today. That is correct, bro. Yes, I only have 100 accounts. What's my strategy? It's my own strategy called the piece of pie. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing, Will, right now. I like that we just took this high on ES. Kind of interested to see what we'll do in the next couple minutes. Just take out all these odds actually on ES. Could have top ticked right here. Is I trying to buy now? I mean, I don't know. I'm reactionary. I don't have a bias. People, I was telling my students, you're not really like, if you marry a bias, more than likely, if the bias doesn't go in your favor, then you're gonna try and force a trade, and you're gonna probably lose. So it's just what I have found in the past year and 8 months I've been trading. Oh, what's my max daily loss limit? I think if I lose $500 more, then I think I'm done. But that's not happening. So, because I don't know if you see my recent video, but basically I was talking about how my back's kind of against the wall now here. And whatever happens, happens. But I know exactly what I'm doing, how I'm doing it. So like, whatever the outcome may be, I know I'll just get more accounts, be in a better position than when I was, and keep moving forward. assumed that was gonna happen. That's what it is. I wanted to see this one close below that candle wick there, but we didn't get that. So. And you could have top ticked this. If you had my levels, you could have top ticked that. Let's see, would I've been break even though? TP would have been smashed, but played it safe. W Deftones Buster, appreciate you, bro. How'd you get that level? It's just something I teach in my boot camp. Oh, this is not a funded account. Or, this is not a eval account. This is a funded. Type in the chat on how much you've made so far. Let's just say over... I'll let you guys just put out numbers, and I'll say over or under. Over. Under, Nick. Over, Nick. Under. Under. You were close, Nick. Under. It's right around that 50 range, so. I'll just leave it at that. How many payouts have I gotten? I think I've gotten like over 20 payouts at this point. That's in like, honestly, that's in like 6 months. Minute IFG, I'm in longs, bro. Jesus. Students, you know what I think about that. Probably just gonna wait till 10 o'clock here, but we'll see what happens. Always do what you do on the major commercials. I can't let you walk away. Do I trade on TradingView? Yes, in fact, you are looking at TradingView right now.
A lot of people never believed that I could make it. A lot of people.
Sammy, dude. Yeah, dude.
A lot of people.
I don't offer any live trading on my Discord.
Do we kind of like this? Is this stressful having a mentorship? No, I really enjoy it because I like teaching. I think it's fun, and I like just seeing like other people's results. Like, because not only does it prove to me like what I'm doing is working, but then also just proves to me like my teaching style also works. I really enjoy it, to be honest. And now that I'm doing one-on-ones with people too, like that's even, I wouldn't say it's even more enjoyable, but it's just as enjoyable because now I'm like working really personal with people. So I get to kind of see like their whole journey and kind of work with them individually rather than like in a group with people. Because in the group of people, like, yeah, I can help you with your questions, but like I don't get to know you as a trader. I don't get to like dive deep into your trading. So kind of doing the one-on-ones, I get to really meet these people, really dive deep into who they are as traders, and kind of just figure out how I can help them in any way possible. And I've definitely really enjoyed that recently. I'm into futures. The 101s are 1500, just because again, I mean, it's 101. I'm gonna be spending like an hour a day with you every single day until you're profitable. So like it's gonna take a good bit of my time, but in my opinion, if I would have gone back, I would have invested whatever it may be to have a 101 with anyone, whether it's me, whether it's any one of these creators that you just like their model. The 101s is going to be your best bet. But then again, if you want to just play it cheap, I have the $75 exclusive group where you have 2 boot camps in there. Bootcamp V2 is in the making right now, so you can be watching those boot camps live, asking me questions, and then watch all of Bootcamp V1 with any questions you have as well. So that's kind of like the cheaper option. But again, I think the personal option is by far the best, just because I get to learn who you are as a trader, and kind of just like actually dive deep into your trading and kind of just get to know you and know your flaws and and just figure out ways that I can help you in ways that you probably didn't think would work. The strategy is the piece of pie model, so it's my own strategy. As you see, I mean, you can use it in many ways. I use it just in ways where I just take small profits and get out of the market, but just using how I use it, I mean, you could have top ticked this entry right here, caught this whole move right here. Yesterday, I also caught a top tick on an eval to pass the trade. I don't know if you saw my stories, but I literally passed 2 trades back to back, or passed 2 accounts back to back, caught one all the way up to the level that I had marked out, and then top ticked the level all the way back down to where I started at. Yes, it's ICT. It's ICT concepts, but it's my own twist on ICT concepts. So like, yeah, I use fair value gaps, I use liquidity, I use order blocks, I use all that, but at the end of the day, it's still my own strategy that I use within those concepts. Is Apex trustful? Yes, I use Apex all the time. Apex 2 I have the most accounts with. How can we buy 101? Just DM me on Instagram at Andrew Trades 2 Z's. Just DM me 101. And Vipers, if you DM me right now, I'll respond to you right now, and then I'll get to you after I'm done with everything. But yeah, again, the 101s, I literally will work with you until you're profitable. So if that takes a month, 3 months, a year, I'll be there through the whole process, and we'll kind of go through it together. And I'll make sure whatever you need out of me, I'm there for. What's my IG? I'll type it in the chat for you. But again, like someone had asked me, like, okay, well, after I become profitable, like, will I still be able to hit you up? And absolutely, you can still text me. We can still hop on calls. I'm just assuming once you're profitable, you're not going to need a call every single day. So it'll just be kind of up to you. Like if you want to hop on call periodically, go for it. Like, well, I'll be there for you. So literally whatever you need out of me, that's what I'm there for. So I'm here to help you guys. Alright, let me text you back right now, Vipers. That's basically all I've been doing, Tyler. Literally just smack trades in the morning, coach people in the afternoon, hit a late night gym session, and repeat over and over, baby. It's kind of the life, I can't lie though. And throw in working on my car here and there, and that's all I be doing. That's all I be doing. Am I in a trade? No, I'm not in a trade. Okay, we're trying to. Yo, Gee, where you at? Like, where you located at? And my car is never gonna race. I'll tell you that right now. I mean, it's quick, but it's not. It'll get dusted by anything. Promise you that. Even CLT. I don't know. Yeah, my car will probably never make its way to CLT unless for some reason I like move back there, and then ship the car. But to be honest, I don't know if I'll move back there for probably next couple years. Honestly. But it's gonna be a drift build, so like it won't be anything crazy. And it'll be sick if you're into drifting, but it won't be like a street racer. Am I live at campus? Yeah, I'm on campus right now. I don't go to school, but I just live with my boys. Did I get my own place from trading? I will be, but I don't know, the way I thought about it, like I'm only paying $600 for rent, like with all my friends. Like I'll never be 19 years old, living in a college house with all my boys again. So it's kind of just how I think about it. CLT tried to arrest me. This is looking bad. Could have taken a hypothetical right here, but I don't like how far we closed above this. We could easily get a retracement right here. It's not really ideal there. Like this is the model, but just because of how far we closed above this, it's not ideal. Yeah, especially because ES is starting to retrace now. That's exactly why I didn't take it right there. I would have been break even at this point though, which we actually never even tapped into, so wouldn't even have been a break even trade. And now that I waited, I can still enter though. Just have to wait for the setup again. You ever seen the video of who's driving that Escalade? That was me. Bro, you're gonna have to DM me that video. I'd love to see that. I'm mad bored staring at these charts. Well, bro, you'd also be mad bored right now if you were working a 9 to 5. So put those big boy pants on, fool. I'm assuming it made Charlotte lit. Cobb didn't show up. Case dismissed. Wow. Hell yeah. Everything makes Charlotte lit. How's my day been, bro? Today's been pretty good. Just been cooling. Talking with the fans. Just trading. Life don't get much better than this. Guys will most likely be the entry. And we're not entering there. Let's see. Perfect. Jackson will probably have to wait until after stream if you want to hop on. Okay, there we are, boys.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Break even pretty quick. You want to just see this run from here. Huh. Bro, what?
Order filled.
Bro, what is happening? My other accounts just didn't get filled. That kind of sucks. Interesting. Not liking how ES is turning on this.
Order
Yeah.
canceled.
Boom. Another stop loss, boys. So there goes like 500 accounts basically. So fortunately we could not get out of the hole. Sucks to suck. But as I was saying in my videos though, like that's literally my setup right there. It just hasn't played out, so it is what it is. is what it is. Let's see here. Alright, boys, well, that will be it. The losing streak has freaking continued, unfortunately. Is Brutta profitable? Only one way you can find out, and that's by looking at my bank. Ready to switch strats? Well, I mean, I tell all my students, right? It's part of the process. Your model might account for 5 losses in a row, but then it'll account for 10 wins in a row, right? It's just, it is what it is. Yeah, at least I didn't get filled in the other accounts. When did I quit my job? Once I never had a job, first of all. I've never been employed and never will be. But I've already made more than what an average college student who goes to college for 4 years is making in 6 months. So, yeah, bro, I'll never let these people get to me. Like, the people in my TikTok chat, they're in the chat for a reason, you know what I'm saying? Like, it is what it is. Make more TP crash out videos? Yeah, I'm about to at this point. It is what it is, boys. It happens, but it's all about your mentality. If you take a bunch of losses, like, yeah, it sucks, but I know in the long run, yeah, I lost some accounts. I can go get 20 more accounts again, run this up even fatter than I did before, and I'll be pretty well off, so I'm not worried about it at all. Not worried about it at all. Mr. Barami, yo, it's been a minute, bro. It's been a minute. Honestly, not doing good. The trading has just been kicking my ass. Like, that's 5 losses straight. But it is what it is. It's all about the mentality, you know what I'm saying? Because I know, yeah, I'll go through a fat losing streak, but every single time I go through a fat losing streak, I go on my biggest win streak I've ever been on. So I know that that's around the corner, and I'm not ever worried about losing. Like, yeah, it sucks, but I know there's light at the end of the tunnel. I'm never worried about it. Yeah, I always make it back, bro. I never trip. Trust me. Trust me. That being said, though, I hope everyone has a good day. I'm going to go ahead and hop on off. We all take it easy. Students, I will see you guys. I think I'm going to push class back a little bit, maybe looking at like 4:30 today. I'll just keep you guys posted. But we have a banger of a class today. We'll be going over the opposite of fair value gaps, so we're going over inverse fair value gaps, and we'll go deep into that. And literally, as I said, off of these confluences alone that I've taught you guys in the past week, you could literally be a full-on profitable trader, finding out a strategy through all those. But again, we're gonna be diving even deeper into it, and keep pushing through the boot camp. We'll be coming up on episode 8. So right now I have 22 episodes planned. But then from those 22 episodes, I'm gonna plan even more, just based on what you guys need more help with, and so on and so forth. 40 people left. Signal bots. Yeah, yeah. It's pretty funny. But that being said, boys, I will catch y'all in the next one. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Hope everyone takes it easy. And Andrew Trades is out. Deuce, everyone.